Your muscles aren't disappearing because of age. They're disappearing because your body is starving for one missing nutrient. And no, it's not protein powder. It's not shakes. It's not supplements. In fact, what I'm about to tell you is something most seniors walk past in the grocery store without realizing it could save their strength, balance, and independence. If you're over 60 and you've felt your legs getting weaker, your grip losing power, or simple chores feeling heavier, this might be the most important message you hear today. You see, muscle loss after 60 isn't just biology. It's inflammation. It's poor recovery. It's your body losing the ability to absorb protein, even if you're eating enough. That's why so many seniors keep drinking protein shakes and wonder, why am I still losing muscle? The truth is shocking but simple. Your muscles need a natural recovery booster that switches your body from breakdown mode into repair and rebuild mode. And one food does this better than protein powder: pumpkin seeds. Most people don't know this, but pumpkin seeds contain a rare combination of magnesium, zinc, plant-based protein, and natural amino acids that trigger muscle recovery almost instantly. Studies show that seniors with low magnesium lose muscle twice as fast, and those with low zinc struggle to grow muscle no matter how much protein they eat. Pumpkin seeds solve both problems in one bite. They reduce inflammation, protect your joints, boost testosterone naturally, improve nerve-muscle connection, and help your body absorb the protein from the meals you already eat. Imagine eating something that strengthens your legs, improves balance, and tightens your muscles without needing powder, shakes, or expensive products. That's exactly what pumpkin seeds do. Magnesium relaxes tight muscles so they can rebuild overnight. Zinc activates your natural repair hormones. Healthy fats reduce silent inflammation that blocks muscle growth. And the protein inside them is easier for older adults to digest than whey protein. And here's the part almost nobody talks about. Pumpkin seeds contain L-tryptophan, which improves your sleep quality. Better sleep equals better muscle repair. Many seniors don't lose muscle because of age. They lose it because their sleep is shallow and their muscles never fully recover. One handful of pumpkin seeds before bed gives your body exactly what it needs to rebuild while you sleep. If your thighs feel soft, if getting up from a chair feels harder, if you've noticed slower walking, or if your arms feel weaker than they used to, your body might simply be missing magnesium and zinc. These tiny seeds refill both instantly. No powders, no pills. No nonsense, just real food your body understands. And the best part, you don't need to eat a bowl. Just 2 tablespoons a day can transform your strength in as little as 2 weeks. Add them to oatmeal, sprinkle them on salads, eat them as a snack, or mix them with yogurt. Your muscles will start to feel alive again, stronger, firmer, more stable. Many seniors report that their knee pain reduces, their hands stop trembling, and their energy returns, because pumpkin seeds also improve blood flow and nerve function. Forget complicated diets. Forget expensive supplements. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the simplest ones. If you want muscles that support you, legs that stay strong, and a body that ages slower, start with the one natural food that US doctors are finally calling the senior strength seed. Your muscles can rebuild at any age. You just need to give them what they've been missing. Now imagine waking up in the morning, standing up from bed, and feeling your legs stable and steady again. Imagine climbing stairs without pain. Imagine feeling firm muscles instead of softness. This isn't a dream. Your body is waiting for the right fuel. Pumpkin seeds are small, but their power is enormous. And starting today, you can take back control of your strength, your mobility, and your independence, naturally, safely, and without a single scoop of protein powder.